given a very sound, long, detailed hearing by the judges. Justice Maheshwari and Justice Anjaria have been extremely careful and given a very well-reasoned judgment. They took the time to pronounce it in great detail, even in court today. I think all the parties have been heard very well, and we've got an order which we are very happy with, because after all it has been an unspeakable tragedy, and all we want is an impartial, supervised investigation where nobody can be prematurely judged in this situation.
The court is also seeking explanation from the single judge.
Yes, they have come down on the single judge in the Tamil Nadu High Court, and also fleshed out the discrepancies between the Madurai and the Madras benches, the orders. I think everybody has got a fair hearing, and everybody's been allowed to file a reply, so that we have 8 weeks to file those replies, and I think even the states have come forward and been heard very, very thoroughly.
It was an expression of impartiality, independence, and more such words which the Supreme Court used today when it ordered a CBI probe into the Karur stampede. What is your response on that?
We are very grateful for the order. It's a very well-reasoned order. The learned bench we are profoundly grateful. They have dealt with all of our arguments and all of the other parties also. They gave us a very long, patient hearing. And we are willing to render all cooperation with the CBI, and we will render any possible assistance with all the investigating authorities. We've got now, of course, they've very, graciously also appointed an SIT, a 3-member SIT led by former Justice Rastogi, and with 2, Tamil Nadu cadre officers also, which I think it really speaks to how patiently and logically they have reasoned this out. It is a tragedy of unspeakable proportions, but we will cooperate in every single way possible.
And could you clarify whether it was IPS officers belonging from the state of Tamil Nadu or
No, they are from the cadre, and they need to be from the cadre and not from the state of Tamil Nadu.
Okay, that they may be from the state.
Yes, so that they will then be, comfortable with and the impartiality. We are very grateful. This is a very wonderful order, and we are very, very profoundly grateful to the learned Supreme Court.
You, as representing TVK, you were very specific in seeking the particular relief that you wanted against the order of the Madras High Court.
Yes.
And you got just that, and even more so. The Supreme Court has ordered a CBI probe. So what would you like to say?
Yes.
How, on a scale from 1 to 10, how satisfactory the decision of the Supreme Court was?
Well, you see, this was it ended up being a litigation where there were many parties, and even the states were parties in some of the other petitions. We, of course, only filed one petition, and it was not our specific prayer to be for the investigation to be turned over to the CBI, but we had requested the SIT, and we had also requested that it be led by a retired Supreme Court justice, and of course the division bench is very kindly also taken on the onus of monitoring it themselves, because at any given point they've given us the liberty to move should we think that the investigation is not moving according to plan. So we are very grateful.
How do you think the leaders of the political parties, Vijay and Adav sir, he just spoke to the media.
Yes.
What do you think? How would they react to this? Were they anticipating?
I think they are very happy. You see, I will leave the specifics to them. But in the meanwhile, as the legal team, we are very happy. We have got a very well-reasoned order, and the single judge orders have also been dealt with. We are very happy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
మరిన్ని ట్రెండింగ్ వీడియోల కోసం న్యూస్ 18 తెలుగు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.